Hello guys, this is your boy Kimsolo Media. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete Windows.Old files. These are the files which are stuck in the PC after I upgraded my PC, my Windows, from 2019 to 2020. As you see here, I upgraded from Windows 10 Home single language from 2019 to 2020 up to date. So I found out that these files are a bit heavier. They are around 12 gigabytes. I've tried to delete them, but unfortunately they refuse to be deleted, as you see here. So now I'm going to teach you easy and simple how to delete these files. You go on this PC. After you right click on local disk C, then go on properties. After you go on properties, click this button where you see this cleanup word. You click on it. After you click on it, then you click on clean up system files like this. You wait for meanwhile as the PC synchronizes. Okay, like this. Then after you scroll down, when this drop-up dialog comes, you select previous Windows installation. After you click on OK, make sure the upgraded log files, you don't select them, you deselect them, right? Because when you select them, they will eventually be deleted. So try to select the previous Windows installation. As you see, it's 7.25 gigabytes. Then click on OK. After you confirm, yes, click delete. Wait for a meanwhile as clean up our drive. Here we go. Then click OK. Then you go back and confirm. Bravo, we made it. So we were able to delete Windows.Old files. Okay, thanks for watching Kimsolo Media. Please subscribe for my page for more learning and entertainment files videos. You can link up with me on Facebook, Twitter, and everywhere. Thank you, Instagram. Thank you. This is your boy Kimsolo Media.